Hold on.
Wagwan, back again with part 2 of this video. SKAR 4500 Chinese version. Yeah, this one is a real I would say real knockoff. Everything like the transistors, normal transistor I would be replacing the other one. These one use a lot of surface mount, a lot. That used to be like normal, you know, 85C, C954, and you know, and 81266. Yeah, it's all surface mount. So this amplifier is like a really, you have to be really careful with this amplifier. You know, if one of those goes and you don't know what to go there, yeah, you will have a problem. But with this one, alright, let's see now. And this is the FDA 24N40F. Alright, and it was, I put in the other one. Normally I wouldn't do this, but because it's only one, I'm gonna see what I can do for this repair with it. Yeah, I'll try. That's in a funny move. I'll just replace all, but for now I'm gonna just replace only the one blown MOSFET. In other case with amplifier repair, yeah, you have to do that, like just one. Yeah, it won't make a big deal once it, because everything checked out with this one, with the capacitor, capacitor reading and the resistor reading of this one. Yeah, it checked out with this. So yeah, even though sometimes some batch of MOSFET I like more than some. Yeah, and this one is not my favorite, but you know, but it works. I use it before and yeah, never have any complaint. But you know, after MOSFET, I honestly, to tell you the truth, I really fall in love with them, because I tell you the truth, they are just like, you know, when you never have an issue with some MOSFET, like, you know, everything always work perfect. You never have an issue with, you know, some MOSFET. I never have not, you know, if I have an issue with some MOSFET I use is like a batch, like, you know, I know something is wrong, definitely wrong with the amplifier, you know. But yeah, I like those type of MOSFET, you know. But yeah, the way the world is going now, and you know, I tell you, boy, it's really not pretty with parts like this now. You know, everybody is trying to do their own little thing, and then they mess up the market, and the industry is just messed up. You have to really tread carefully if you need real original parts, and you really have to like test the dealer who you're buying from and stuff like that. As I said before, yeah, spend a $10 or something and buy a batch of MOSFET, or $20, you know, because you know your name is your, you know, it's your band right there, and you don't want nobody come up with problem with turning amplifier and crap like that, you know. So you have to make sure you know what to put in people, for they paying their money, you know. So yeah, and I don't care on the people. I rather wait. I rather tell them, hey, I'm not gonna get the part until XYZ, you know, because sometimes you can get it real cheap here in the US, but no, man, it's just real. And they need a arm, you know, arm and a leg for it, and it's not, you know, up to specification like what you really need. And then but thank you guys, I will wait. I told people, all my customers say, listen, it's gonna take 2 weeks, it's gonna take 3 weeks, that's it. Got the parts before the parts get here, where I'm getting it from. Yeah, because where I'm getting it from, it's not that easy, you know. Sometimes it hurts, you know, because sometimes I can't buy a bunch like I want to, like, you know. But sometimes I buy a lot, which but they run out real quick because like it's a regular MOSFETs like the IRF 640N and the IRF 3205 and you know all those MOSFET and stuff like that. I have a bunch of the IRF Z 44N because a lot of amplifiers don't really use it now, those now, you know, but using the 640 or the 1010, the IRF 1010 and stuff like that, you know. But yeah, that's how it goes. But you know, it is what it is. But you have to try to compete with, you know, the market we're going, you know, the amplifier that they are making and what the most that they're using. You have to try and catch up. And you know, if you're not buying, yeah, and I like to buy. Honestly, I love buying MOSFET, even if I don't know. Because one time I got an amplifier with like a weird MOSFET number, and I was like, what the heck? This number come from? And I said, alright, yeah, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy like a bunch. I said, I just buy 50 of them. It's the best thing I ever did, man. I tell you. Couple weeks, every amplifier repair use the same. I'm telling you, yeah, it really make a difference because I try a lot of other stuff in the power supply, and man, they eat up. And when I use that MOSFET, everything is cool. I was like, wow, you know. But you know, this company they use their little, you know, strategy, as I would say, and tricks to, you know, make things go their way. So you don't have to repair the amplifier, you have to buy a new amplifier, you know. But I'll spend the time and I'll blow up 50 MOSFET just to find which one works perfectly. Believe me, I will do that because that's how I learn a lot of stuff. Because where I'm from, I used to have like limited amount of people I could ask a little question and say, hey, can you help me with this? I have this problem, and you know, but you'd say, hey, yeah, do this, do that. I say, I already do that. You're like, well, you're on your own. I was like, well, okay, it is what it is, and you know, everything just leaves to me, and I have to, you know, engineer what works. Try this one, try that one, try this one, try that one, and until I know a lot of you know, what can use for what and stuff like that. And then, you know, that's how it goes, man. That's how it goes. That's why I don't have no problem sharing information. My wife told me, you know how to do this. I'm not a person who do this. I just come repair amplifier, repair 2 amplifier like in an hour or less, or stuff like that. And then, you know, gone back to do something else. And she'd be like, make a video. Just I see all this looking up video when you have a problem with amplifier and stuff. Somebody would want to know, and I said, hey, yeah, you know, it's true, but I'm not the type of person who talk a lot and explain a lot, and that's why I'm not a teacher, you know. I'm not good. I'm not like Todd and Sam in the UK, you know. But I'll try and do my thing my own way. So, you know, if you don't understand, you ask me, and you know, I'll definitely explain to you what I mean. But you know, I'm getting there, you know, little by little. So now, guys, I'm gonna definitely give this a test. Let me check again if you have an issue with anything else. Everything reads okay. Everything with man. Can you imagine? One little. I want you guys to see if it really comes on. Alright, so I'm gonna do something like this here. I'm gonna put this back a little. Just this phone. Jesus. So power light, guys. Yeah, this one is the red one, protection, and this one is the blue one, but LED is white, so but it eliminate blue. and this one is the power. So I'm gonna give it a quick check and see what happened. So guys, this test is between me and you guys. Now the first test, yeah, is live. I'm not testing nothing then come back and say, oh, and then come test it. No, crap, no. Right now, if anything happen, it happened, but for now, checking the switch. These are some, these switch have some 1000 ohms at 1K, and orange, white, black. That's how much. Those for the gate resistance for this thing. It says 39 ohms here. Let me say orange, white, 39 ohms. Yeah, that's right. Alright, so the gate for this is, the gate for the output MOSFET is orange, white, black, and this amplifier, and that's 39 ohms. And the gate and the power supply MOSFETs are, I think it's 47 ohms if I'm not wrong. Come on. Let's see here. No, come on, gate. Oh, nope, it's not 47, it's 22 ohms. The gate and the power supply MOSFET. Really? Whatever. Alright. Guys, let's see what's up with this one. I'm gonna let you see if it pours on. Then I put it in the shell and give it a bench test. Yes, so let's see. Now I'm gonna pour it on real quick. Okay guys, that's it. You get blue light, and that thing is like tick 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 tick. Capacitors are charging like crazy, and you know, everything is cool like puppy nose, as you would say. Good. So guys, that was a successful repair. But this one, it was only one blown MOSFET, and that's the FDA24N40F. So guys, I'm gonna tell you a little experiment I did one time, because this mean like the 40s, I think it's the wattage, 40 watt, yeah. I put there, and then what I do is like I use this with the FDA 25N50. I think no, 24. No, it's FDA 24N50. You could use to replace this one too, but only if you're replacing all of them. I would rather, you know, I would advise you guys to do that. But you know, for this, yeah. But I'm gonna put it in, you know, hook it up and see, and let you guys know, give it a bench test, and you know, let you guys know if everything's okay. But the relay kicks on, everything, nothing is heating up, everything seems to be okay. So guys, I'm gonna put it back in the chassis and then I get back to you guys, okay? Alright, thank you guys for watching. CNC lecture next out for this. Stay tuned for part 3.